How to delete Spotify playlist. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your playlist on Spotify. So first of all, open your Spotify app on your mobile device and now make sure you are logged into your Spotify account. Now once you're logged in order to delete a playlist, simply tap on the third option on the bottom side of the screen, which is your library, and now it will show you all of the playlists. So let us tap on playlist and then simply select by you. Now remember, you can only delete the playlist which you have created and you cannot delete the playlist which other people have created. So if you want to delete the playlist which you have created on your own, simply long press on your playlist. After that, it will provide you basically four options. You can either remove from profile, you can either pin it, or you could also delete your playlist and share. So since we are here to delete a playlist, we'll tap on the third option, which is delete playlist. After that, it will ask us to confirm whether we really want to delete this playlist or not. So let's simply tap on delete, and there you have it. You have successfully deleted a playlist on Spotify. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.